What is an HVAC business worth? According to BizBuySell's second quarter 2024 report, the earnings multiple for HVAC businesses is 2.72. That means if your business earns $1 million annually, it could be worth approximately $2,720,000. Factors like recurring maintenance contracts, seasonal demand, and service quality can significantly influence the valuation. Valuing a business is complicated, and getting it right often requires an expert like me. I'm Nate Lind, valuation expert and business broker. If you need help valuing your business or selling it, contact me using the link in the description below.